everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Mariah May. I'm a pro wrestler from the UK who goes by the name The Glamour, and I make YouTube videos. So for today's video, I'm super excited. If you follow me on Twitch, it is Mariah May F. I did a birthday stream, and on my birthday stream, I actually opened a couple of presents, and one of the presents that I got was some O Poly Bow and Tea stuff. And before I wore it, I really wanted to do it for a YouTube video and show you guys it because I'm obsessed. So yeah, I'm gonna jump right in and show you what I got from the Bow and Tea collection. So I got a full set and I was really excited about it because I really wanted this colour scheme. So this is the top and I absolutely love the pattern on it. I think it's so nice. I love the colours. I mean, shock, it's pink and blue. Like, you know I love pink and blue. But I absolutely love the colours on it. And as for the style, I've never worn a workout top like this before, so I'm quite excited to try it because I've never worn anything like this. So I'm really excited to try it. The back is pretty similar, and then on the front it's quite hard to read, but it just says Bow and Tea, and then it's just got these sweet little sleeves, and then of course it's got the elastic on every bit of lining, which is really nice. So here are the shorts, and I know I'm going to get so much use out of these. Obviously I'll wear the full set, but I do think I could just wear these to chill out in because it's been so hot lately. I'm finding myself constantly wearing cycling shorts and running shorts, so I feel like I'm going to get a lot of use out of these. The colour and the pattern is so sweet, and then yeah, it's just a really nice material. Like obviously the waist is super elastic, which is going to be quite flattering on. It's just a nice, obviously stretchy material, and I can't wait to wear them. And then my absolute favourite of the whole set is the socks. I just think it's such a nice touch. Like I can't wait to get a photo in the full set. I think the colour is amazing. It reminds me of Judy. If you know me, you know I love Animal Crossing. There's a character called Judy. This is her colour scheme. But it's just such a cute colour. Like I just absolutely love the pattern. And then it's just got like kind of the little athletic stripes on it, and all my socks are normally like that. I have the like kind of soccer kind of socks. Football socks. Oh my god, I said soccer, I'm turning American. But yeah, so they all kind of have that pattern on them anyway. It just says Bow and Tea, and like I said, the colour and the pattern on it is absolutely gorgeous. So I got the full set and I'm really excited about it. I have tried them on and the quality is amazing. They fit really well, it's super flattering. The top is very different. Like I've never had that cut-off top before, so that's really exciting to me because it's kind of nice that it was a present and it's a way to try something different, because normally when I shop I'm like, I have to force myself to try different stuff, and I normally don't. I'm normally like, I'm gonna stick with what I know. So I'm really excited about trying something different. The colour scheme and the pattern is absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited about it, and I love the socks. Let me know down below if you've got anything from the Bow and Tea collection. I keep seeing it pop back up on O Poly, which is really exciting because the first time round I didn't really get anything. I got 2 rompers and I couldn't really find anything else because it was all out of stock pretty quickly. So I like that it's popping back up. I like that they're doing more colours, more styles. I think I might have to invest in a couple more shorts just because the weather at the moment is so hot. So I might invest in a few more shorts, but I saw this colour scheme, I really wanted it, so I'm really happy that I got that. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already, please hit subscribe and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and go and hit me up on Twitch. It's at MariahMayX again because I stream pretty much every night, so you should go check it out. Bye!